Hello, everyone. Today I will be sharing my reflection on the topic biodiversity and the healthy society. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life on Earth plants, animals, microorganisms, and the ecosystem they form. It is one of the foundations of human survival, and understanding it helps us build a healthier and more sustainable society. Biodiversity is basically the richest and variety of living things. When an environment has high biodiversity, it means many species are present and working together, right? To maintain ecological balance. For example, forests help purify our air. Wetlands filter our water, and ocean regulate our climate. In a healthy society, humans rely on these natural systems for food, medicine, clean water, clean air, and protection from any disasters. Without biodiversity, ecosystems weaken and humans become more vulnerable to disease, hunger, and climate related hazards. How it affects health lifestyles and the environment. Biodiversity has a direct impact on people's health. Many modern medicines, like antibiotics, pain relievers, and even cancer treatments, came from plants and animals. When species disappear, we lose potential cures and medical resources. It also affects our lifestyle. For example, people rely on agriculture, fishing, and forestry for livelihood. If biodiversity declines, crops fail more easily, fish populations drop, and natural resources become scarce. This means communities may struggle with poverty, food insecurity, or lack of resources. This can cause. For the environment, the impact is even bigger. We were talking about environment. Losing biodiversity causes soil degradation, unhealthy oceans, and more frequent natural disasters. Ecosystems become unbalanced, like what we experienced today. We experience earthquake, flood, and even typhoon. For example, when forests are destroyed, flooding and landslides become more common. When coral reefs die, fish populations collapse and entire marine ecosystems suffer. And next, my personal reflection about biodiversity. Personally, I believe that biodiversity is something we often take for granted. We enjoy clean air, fresh food, and beautiful natural places. But we forget that this came from the complex relationships in nature. Oh, complex relationships in nature. I realized that every time we waste resources, throw garbage anywhere, or support unsustainable practices, we indirectly contribute to biodiversity loss. And that's the big reality. For me, this topic is a reminder that our health and survival depend on how will we care for the natural world. If we protect biodiversity, we protect ourselves and future generations. They depend on us. And what are the solutions and actions? There are many ways we can promote a healthier and more sustainable society. Here are a few. Number one, practice responsible consumption. Consumption. Reduce, waste, recycle, and choose eco-friendly products. For example, paper bag and those you need to reuse and reduce recycle the plastics. Number two, support conservation efforts such as tree planting, coastal cleanups, and community gardening. Number three, promote sustainable lifestyles like reducing plastic use, conserving water, and using energy wisely. Educate others. Share information about biodiversity and why it matters. And number five, support policies and leaders who protect the environment and prioritize sustainable development. These simple actions, when multiplied across communities, can help us preserve biodiversity and build a healthier society. Biodiversity is essential to our health, our lifestyle, and the environment. Protecting it's not just an environmental issue. It is a human responsibility. By making small changes and raising awareness, we can help create a more sustainable and healthy future.